The person that left this comment, I'm so sorry that it took me 5 months to get back to you, but I'm going to tell you my manifestation routine that I do every single day. It's really simple. I hate overwhelming myself. I used to have like a whole 2 hours of like a manifesting morning ritual. But that was during the pandemic when I didn't really have anywhere to be or anywhere to go, people to meet. I was just like, I woke up with the day ahead of me. And so I could wake up at 5 and meditate for like 2 hours and journal and, do all the things. But I don't really have that time now because I have a lot of things that are happening in my life. And I have, people to meet and places to go. But my full proof manifestation ritual every single morning is the minute I wake up, I listen to one of my voice memos. If you don't know, I have a video about this. It's about using your voice memos to manifest the life of your dreams. It's basically, talking about your new story in your voice memo app on your iPhone, and then listening to it every morning and before you go to bed. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I listen to is my own voice saying my affirmation. And then I don't do Dr. Joe's meditations every day now. I do it sometimes. And when I do, I'm doing the generating abundance meditation. It's only 24 minutes, so it's very doable. So I listen to my voice memos, I drink water, I meditate, and then I tap. So it's really easy to incorporate tapping into your day. Honestly, it doesn't have to be in the morning. It doesn't have to be at night. Like, don't let these things stop you from actually doing the work and trying these techniques out. You can meditate and tap at any day, like they say morning and night because you're already in that hypnotic state, like when you're just waking up and before you go to bed. But you can learn how to get into that state anytime. And Dr. Joe's meditations actually teach you, and his voice, I know it's annoying, but his voice actually gets you into that state. Okay, so if you want to do it in the afternoon, go and do it in the afternoon. But EFT tapping and Dr. Joe's meditations together is like powerful. Yeah, it's honestly crazy. It's so transformational. I have a program called Become Magnetic if you want to learn EFT tapping. So link at the top of my page if you want to try that. But yeah, give it a go.